Egress is defined as the route towards an exit separated from all other spaces of a structure by construction and provides a protected way of travel. Egress gets people to the exit. The exit is a designated point of departure that gives access to a relative place of safety. Egress is used to evacuate for fires, bomb threats, active shooters, hazardous weather, and more. When a building is constructed, model egress configuration is implemented. Validation and verification are utilized during a formal process that addresses multiple factors including occupancy load, handicap, and congestion. Before anyone evacuates, the process of decision making must take place. Protective action takes place after cues are seen, heard, and comprehended. According to Society for Fire Protection Engineers Guide to Human Behavior in Fire, there are 28 behaviors that influence successful evacuation. These include false alarms and too frequent drills will reduce sensitivity to alarm signals. External actions of groups can also influence individuals. Appearance of route can influence its use. Training with components and devices may improve their use, and people behave in a rational manner, and panic is rare. In order for a message to be effective, people must pay attention and perceive the message. The environment must change to gain attention to the emergency. One way to assess the efficiency of the service system is through a fire evacuation drill. After a drill is performed, a written report should be submitted to the manager. This should include performance feedback and effectiveness of the drill, including warning devices of egress and exits. Unannounced drills can provide feedback on real-life behaviors. The recommendation is that Crunch Fitness conducts unannounced fire drill to staff before or after business hours once a year. The purpose is not to interrupt business and its customers. This is important to maintain a healthy relationship with the fire department. The fire department's goal is to enhance safety without negatively affecting business. It is recommended that during this drill, customers are simulated with varying challenges, including disabilities, such as wheelchair-bound individuals. There are concerns with external gates being locked during business hours. These gates are labeled as emergency exits and must be open and accessible during business hours to be compliant of the fire code. During the drill, people movement managers should be identified and consist of Crunch staff, managers, and firefighters. Exits should be used that are most appropriate. Studies have shown most occupants will exit the way they came in, even though it's not always the best choice. Factors that include exits include delay time before occupants begin to evacuate, travel speed, including stairs, available route options, path choice, and travel flow. Human factors that have another influence include familiarity with the building, training level, age, disabilities, consciousness, and alone or with others.